Deborah with Transwest RV here in Belton, Missouri. I want to introduce you to the 22 Renegade Valencia that we just got in. I'm going to start off over here in the cab area. I've got a lot of really nice new features for this year. So it does come on a Freightliner chassis. You do have 360 horsepower, which I know is always important for everyone to know, so just tell you that up front. The nice thing, they do have a removable Garmin GPS system, which actually has RV maps included in it. It's not turned on right now, but the great thing is you can do lots of different things with it. If your passenger want to control the volume for the stereo or something like that, they can choose it. And it does go right back in place super easy. Your equalizer systems are right here as well, so everything's super easy to use. Literally will adjust for you. And of course your parking brake access is right here. All the gauges are really clean, really clear, easy to use, and just super spacious and very, very comfortable seats for what they are as well. For those of you that have additional family members like myself, my 5-year-old would absolutely love this because there is a really nice bunk area up here. Quite a bit of space. You can see the ladder will come down right here as well. They do have their own little TV back here. And there's also a Blu-ray system and additional space if you wanted to add additional stereo equipment or anything, but you do have 8 JBL speakers that will give you really nice sound quality as well. You know, for anyone taller, you probably will want this forward when you're driving. And there is a privacy screen that you can pull all the way around. So at night, you can keep anyone from really seeing in the cab as far as that part goes, which is really nice when you get to a campsite. Over here to my right, we have a really nice dinette set over here, which you do have chairs that can lock down. You will see their locking mechanisms right there. So as you're going down the road, you don't have to worry about them falling out of place if you're going around really heavy curves or in the mountains or anything like that, which is super nice. We do have a very nice, comfortable sleep system here as well. This will fold out to be at least a full-size bed. It does have seat belts included as well. So if you have little ones that you want to lock down in there, you do have seat belts you'll be able to use as well. And everyone loves the Ottoman storage systems. So this one actually does have a really nice hinge. Got a lot of storage in there, so if you want to put games or books or cards or blankets, whatever you want to take with you, it gives you a lot of extra storage space. One thing that's kind of newer for 2022 is it is all electric. So you do have 3 lithium-ion batteries that will also help power your vehicle. And this does have a really nice refrigerator system that's all electric. There is a touchpad right here too that controls everything, including your slides, your awnings, your front slides, your rear slides. All of that is done right through here. That's your home page, so it will show you all the master areas. And of course, when you come in, we will give you a full walk around with one of our technicians. They'll go over all of that with you so you know how to operate everything in here, as well as how everything works on the exterior as well. So one nice thing about this kitchen is they've used a little bit heavier corrugated than they have in the past. They kind of made this super easy for you to use your 3-burner propane stove, so you can actually just store these back here, kind of use that as a splash guard as well. We've got lots of storage area underneath as well in your kitchen. So you've got a lot more space in here than you probably would have in the past. Once again, they've got really nice covers. You can see this one has been winterized, so you're going to see a little bit of a fluid from that. They do come with roll-down screens for our night shades and day shades. So underneath this night shade, there is a day shade as well. And then we've got a lot of extra cabinet space up here too, which is pretty big area if you have extra snacks or books or, you know, manuals or anything that you want to put in there as well. This convection oven also is a microwave. So for those nights where you're wanting popcorn, it's super fast and easy. There is a really nice, beautiful TV right here with the sound bar. It's Insignia brand. It'll be right in front of your couch area. So if you want to sit back and just watch a movie or something after a race or a game, or if you're just traveling, you just want to relax, you can. This would actually be the area towards the bedroom, which you will have a full-size washer and dryer. Super convenient, really, really nice when you're traveling to be able to use those, especially if you're headed towards the beach areas and you want to keep the sand off the floors. There's really nice lighting in here. We were actually both kind of surprised, my camera lady, Katie, and I, by how great the lighting is for the restroom area. That's not always the case in RVs, but this actually is a really nice area in here. There's a small little sink. You've got lots of extra room for storage here too. So for a couple, it's perfect for your needs. There's a really nice big shower in here that does have a skylight. You do have a handheld, so you'll be able to use that appropriately as well. And of course, the toiletry area in here as well, and a really nice privacy door too. There's also a privacy door right here for the bedroom. So if your guests are using the bathroom, you can shut off your bedroom as well to keep it a little bit more private. And then of course, this is where all the magic happens at night, where we get to recharge and rest. And they've got a really beautiful setup in here as well. There is a really nice hanging area. So if you did have a couple suits or dresses, if you're planning to go somewhere special when you're on your trip, you've got some nice hanging room for that. And then there's a lot of storage in here as well. So it's a really, really nice setup. I think you'll really love the Renegade for 2022. As you can tell, they've upgraded a lot of the wood features. There's a lot more they've done with the electronics. This particular one does have 3 solar panels on top as well, so you're gonna have a little bit more power and juice from that, especially if you're going to some warmer areas where there's lots of sunlight. It just makes it really convenient to go a little bit longer without having to worry about losing charge as much. Another great thing with this particular one is it does have a wine guard. So a lot of people like to install those afterwards. This actually came from the factory with the wine guard already ordered on it. It basically means that you have really good access to TV programs and satellites if you want to see baseball games, football games, NBA, any of that. So that's another feature that a lot of people really love. If you have any questions about this one, feel free to give us a call anytime. Once again, my name's Deborah. The number here is 816-602-3433. We'll look forward to seeing you soon.